Mastering English vocabulary. Sync and share your flashcards across devices. Hello, learners. In our journey to master the English language, today we are going to discuss a super useful strategy: synchronizing and sharing flashcards across devices. It's a crucial part of our broader topic on vocabulary development, and we will mainly focus on digital flashcard tools and apps. So, let's dive right in. Learning a language can happen anytime and anywhere. That's why it's so essential to have your learning materials accessible on multiple devices. By synchronizing your flashcards across devices, you ensure that whether you're on your laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, you can continue your learning without missing a beat. This approach to learning gives you consistency and helps you optimize the downtime you may have throughout your day. When choosing a digital flashcard tool or app, consider these features. 1. Syncing across multiple devices. This feature will allow you to access your flashcards from any device you log into. 2. Shareability. The tool should provide options for sharing your flashcards with classmates or teachers. 3. Customizability. The ability to add images, audio, and other elements can make your flashcards more engaging. 4. Spaced repetition functionality. This learning technique increases the intervals of time between subsequent reviews of previously learned material to optimize the learning process. Syncing your flashcards is generally straightforward. Most digital flashcard tools and apps automatically sync your flashcards as long as you're logged into the same account on all your devices. Some apps may require you to manually click a sync button. Remember, always check the settings of your chosen tool to ensure synchronization is enabled. Most flashcard tools and apps also allow you to share your flashcards. This feature can be beneficial when learning in a group. By sharing, you can all benefit from each other's resources and study collectively. You can typically share via email, a link, or sometimes directly through the app if your study partners use the same tool. There you have it, learners. We've talked about the importance of synchronizing and sharing flashcards across devices and the features to look for in digital flashcard tools and apps. Remember, learning English is a journey. And with these digital tools at your disposal, you're well equipped for the ride. Keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. See you in our next video where we will continue our journey. Happy learning!